In today's accounts class, in revision, we are going to start rectification of errors, and this chapter will include in your main annual exams. So first of all, one-sided error. One-sided error means the error which includes suspense account. This is known as one-sided error. One-sided error means the error in one account. Okay, so that will include suspense account in that general entry for rectification. Like sales book undercast. Sales book undercast means there will be some totaling error, posting error, or the error which is known as clerical error. Clerical error means the error made, man-made error, or the totaling error, carry forward error. So in that sales book undercast. Like the actual total is, a sales book is 1 lakh rupees. But by mistake, the accountant did it by 10,000 rupees. So there will be undercast by 90,000. As you know, sales book is always credited. Sales is always credit, and here that is undercast. So you will write by this way sales account. And in debit you will write suspense account debit. Okay, so the answer is this suspense account debit to sales account, because as we know sales will be credited. Then second part, sales book overcast. Overcast means total more, carry forward more, or there will be entry by excess amount. Like the actual total is 1 lakh rupees, and when by the mistake the accountant made it 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. So here 10,000 rupees will be considered as error. Okay, I am giving you the example for this and this. Actual total is 1 lakh, but wrongly is 10,000. So here suspense account debit to sales by 90,000. Okay, clear? Now come to the next point, reverse of it. Sales book overcast. Overcast means you have recorded more amount. Actual total is 10,000, but by mistake, by wrongly way or by the mistake, the total made is 1. Okay, so here the 90,000 will be reverse amount. So here what we have to do, sales will be debited, sales account debit to suspense account. To give the reverse effect, always keep in mind in accountancy that is the best way. If you want to give the reverse effect, make the entry reverse. Like here, in overcast, you have to do the reverse effect. So sales will always be credited here, but for making the correct, we debit it. So that the effect will be nullified. Okay, see, sales overcast means sales credited more. So now what we have to do, we should debit it, so the effect will be nil. Clear? Sales. Now come on to the purchase. So for making it easy, I am telling you that sales and purchase return will always be credited. Okay, and purchase and sales return always be debited. So here now come to the next point. 3. Purchase book undercast. More example I can give you. Like goods purchased but not entered in the books, or not entered in the purchase book, or the total made wrongly, or that is undercast. Means the actual total is 1 lakh, but the accountant made it 10,000 rupees. That is human error. So here purchase book undercast. As you know, purchase is always debited. Okay. You can learn this entry. By this way you can do all the entries. Purchase book undercast. Now what will be the entry? Purchase account debit to suspense account. And in narration, what we have to write? Rectification entry made. Clear? Then reverse of it. Fourth one. Purchase book overcast. Overcast means you entered more, totaled more, carry forward more. Many mistakes may be there. But the actually, the real amount is less and wrong amount is more. So what we have to do? We should reciprocal of it, or we can give reverse effect. In accountancy, that is always, in all errors you can do it by this way, means you have to reverse it. So here purchase book overcast, and as we know purchase is always debited and this is overcast. So what we have to do? We can reverse of it, or by this way. Means suspense will be debit to purchase account. Clear? Clear? Now, the same effect like sales books effect will be same as for purchase return. And purchase books effect will be same as sales return because they are similar. Okay? Or according to the general entries 3 golden rule, we can do it. Purchase means goods comes in, that's why debited. Sales means goods going out, that's why credited. And if it is undercast, entered less, recorded less, then this credit. And if the purchase, then it will be debit. Clear? So these are one-sided error in one account. Clear? Got it? Undercast, overcast. Can I give you one more example? Like note down, if you want to note down, the total of first page is 10,000 rupees. But the accountant carry forward it as rupees 1,000 in purchase book. In purchase book. What will be the rectification entry? The total of page number 9 is the total of page number 9 of purchase book is 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. But by mistake, the accountant carry forward it as rupees 1,000. The accountant carry forward it as rupees 1,000. Pass the general entry, rectification entry. See, in place of 10,000, accountant is carry forward 1,000 rupees. So here the error is of rupees 9,000, and that is less. So that will be the purchase account debit to suspense account. Clear? Any doubt? So you can note down these 4 basic entries. Now I am moving towards the entry will be by 9,000 rupees. Why 9,000 rupees? Because 1,000 already entered and we require 9,000 rupees more to rectify. So that entry will be passed by 9,000 rupees. Clear? Clear? So now I am going to give you more examples. These are the examples for one-sided error. Now I am going to give you examples of two-sided error. Two-sided error means the error which affects two accounts. Two accounts means like goods purchased from Harsh entered in Archit's account, or goods sold to Ambani entered in Adani. That is also known as clerical error, but error in two sides. Here it is clearly understandable that the error is in one account only. So if the error is in one account, then it is passed through suspense account. But if error occurs in two accounts, then two accounts means like just now I am giving you the example, goods sold to Ambani wrongly entered in Adani. So here two accounts are going to affect Ambani and Adani. So how to rectify it? Okay, so I am giving you example, goods sold to, and it is easily identifiable that this error occurs in two accounts. That's why it is known as two-sided error. Goods sold to Ambani. Goods sold to Ambani wrongly entered in Adani. So here two persons are going to affect it. One is Ambani, another is Adani. So we can identify easily that there are two accounts which are going to affect. One is Ambani, other is Adani. So what to do now? Correct entry, wrong entry, rectify entry. That part can be performed by three entries, then it will be easy to do. First, correct entry. Goods sold to Ambani. What will be the entry? Ambani debit to sales. Who is the receiver? Ambani. Debit to sales. Okay. Now what is the wrong entry? Adani debit to sales. Now it is easy to identify that who is wrong here. That Adani is wrong here in debit side. What to do now? Just now I told you, if there is error, then do the reverse effect. So because Adani debit here, so for rectification we can credit it and we can debit Ambani. Because Ambani is not debited now we can debit it. And Adani is wrongly debited, so now what we can do? Credit it. Clear? Got it? So this is two-sided error. One more example I can give you. Like repair paid on machinery. Entered in machinery account. See, this is the error two side, or we can say error of principle also. Like we are making payment for recurring expenses, repairing, or I am giving you easy example. Petrol for car, debited in car. Petrol is recurring expenses and car is capitalized expenditure. So we can correct it by this way. Wrong entry, car debit to cash. Correct entry, petrol debit to cash. Now rectify it. Okay, the person or the account who is wrongly debited, do it in credit. And the debit, correct debit should be debited. In this type of journal entries for two-sided, there will not be included suspense account if the amount and accounts are same. If the amounts are different, then we can include suspense account. Clear? So generally, suspense account is used in single journal entry or one-sided journal entry because we have to make entry in two sides. One is debit, another is credit. according to double entry system. So to make the complete entry, we have to use suspense account. But here in two-sided journal entries, there will be adjustment by correct entry, wrong entry and rectify entry. Okay, clear?
वो तीन बच्चों का नाम लिखे.
So note down one more example. One more example I am giving you. Goods purchased from Tata wrongly entered in Bata. Rectify it. पूरा पेज दे दो. पूरा पेज नहीं, ऊपर 11 से लिखे. Goods purchased from Tata wrongly entered in Bata. Now, what will be the general entry? Goods purchased from Tata wrongly entered in Bata. See here, two accounts are clearly affected. One is Tata, another is Bata. So, see, goods purchased from Tata, correct entry. Purchase account debit to Tata. Wrong entry, purchase account debit to Bata. Now rectify entry. How to do the rectify entry? See, Bata is wrongly credited. So what to do now? Give the reverse effect. Okay, Garvit, got it? So now what will be the correct rectify entry? Bata debit to Tata. Bata debit to Tata. So this is two-sided error and these are one-sided error. Clear? Any other doubt if you have any doubt? So this is the example. Tata purchase account debit to Tata but wrongly entered in purchase to Bata. Now Bata will be debited, Tata will be credited. Clear? One more example you can take. Cash received from Garvit. Cash received from Garvit wrongly entered as cash received from Harsh. Wrongly entered as cash received from Harsh. So you will do by this way. Correct entry, wrong entry, rectify entry. Correct entry. Cash account debit to Garvit. G. Wrong entry. Cash account debit to H. Okay. Now H is wrong here. Make it circle. Now H will be debited and G will be credited. H will be debited, G will be credited. And in narration, you can write one line that rectification entry made. Okay, any doubt? Shall I give you more examples of this type? Note down. 5 entries I am going to give you. These are the examples. First, sales return book undercast. Second, purchase return book overcast. Clearly, these are the one-sided error. Now change. Cash given to Archit entered in Harshvardhan's account. Okay. Next. Car purchased wrongly entered as machine purchased. Now tell me please, which type of error this is? Two-sided. Good answer. This is two-sided error because two accounts are going to affect. One is car, another is machine. Clear? Got it? Now one more example. Then please tell me which type of error you are thinking about that. Traveling expenses paid not posted in traveling expenses account. Which type of error? One-sided. Very good answer. Correct. One-sided because only error in one account, that is traveling expenses. So what will be the correction then? Traveling expenses should be debited according to 3 golden rules, that all expenses will be debited. So here traveling expenses account debit to suspense account. Don't write cash account because only the error is in one account. That is traveling expenses account debit to suspense account. Okay? Any other doubt? Then I'll explain you.